Hello guys, welcome back again. Into this video, let me show to you how the way to create a wavy motion onto your text. The way to do that, it's so simple, only using this Capcut. And for the notes for you guys, I am only using my phone to edit this animation on Capcut. So let's jump to the tutorial. Open your Capcut, make a new project, and you need to insert a blank clip background onto it, just like this. I'm using this white background. Okay, now the second part, you need to insert a text onto this clip. So for me, I will type maybe tongue tips like this, and then after finish, insert the words onto the text box. You need to go to the style and change the color of it. For me, I will change it onto this blue color. And if you want to adding more element onto it, you can use this stroke maybe to add the outline onto the text like this, or maybe you can use this glow to make the text have this glowing effect like this, and I'm going to use that. And for the stroke, I'm going to change the color of the stroke onto a blue color like this, so it will be giving a nice effect of a glowing text like this. And now after that, go to effect, this one, and I will adding more effect onto it, this glowing effect. I think I will use this one. Yep, this one. And now when you finish, click the text again and click this animation tools, this one. When you open this animation tools, there will be a plenty of choice of animation, and there will be a 3 style of animation. The first one is in, and the second one is out, and this third one is loop. And now here we will use this loop animation, and you just need to try to find a wave loop animation. So just scroll up the screen like this and click this wave animation, and as you can see, it's already waving. But if you want to adjust the speed of it, you can just go back to the animation and find the wave, click it, and you can decrease the speed of it by scrolling these white dots onto the right side like this. And I think I'm just going to use this one. And now when you're done, check it and increase the duration. Make sure it has the same duration as the background. And when you're done, this is the final result of it. And that's the way how to create this effect onto your design text. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.